Welcome to our exploration of the green energy paradox. Are we destroying nature to save? In this video, we delve into the complex realities of renewable energy production and its impacts on the environment. From the mining of rare earth metals to the displacement of indigenous communities, we will examine the hidden costs of our pursuit for greener alternatives. Join us as we uncover how the very technologies designed to protect our planet may inadvertently contribute to its destruction. 1. Mining for rare earth metals. Green energy technologies are often hailed as the saviors of our planet, but there's a hidden cost that's frequently overlooked: mining for rare earth metals. These metals are essential for manufacturing solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries. Unfortunately, extracting them from the earth is far from environmentally friendly. The mining process involves removing vast amounts of earth, which can lead to deforestation and soil erosion. Moreover, these operations often release toxic substances into nearby water bodies, leading to water pollution that can devastate local ecosystems. Communities living near these mines frequently experience deteriorating health and environmental conditions. It's a paradox that while we are striving to save the planet, the methods we use are causing harm to the environment. 2. Land use for renewable energy. Renewable energy projects require large tracts of land, which can have serious implications for the natural world. Solar farms and wind farms need space to operate efficiently, but this often means encroaching on natural habitats. The vast expanses of land needed for these projects can disrupt local ecosystems, leading to the displacement of wildlife. While solar panels might produce clean energy, the land they occupy could have been home to various species of plants and animals. This can lead to a decrease in biodiversity and upset the balance of local ecosystems. It's a challenging trade-off, balancing the need for clean energy with the preservation of our natural landscapes. 3. Threats to biodiversity. While wind turbines generate electricity without emitting greenhouse gases, they pose significant threats to certain wildlife populations. Birds and bats, in particular, are vulnerable to the rotating blades of wind turbines. Many species have been found dead near these installations, leading to concerns among conservationists. Similarly, hydropower dams, another form of renewable energy, can severely disrupt aquatic ecosystems. These dams can block fish migration routes, alter water temperatures, and change sediment flows, causing long-term harm to aquatic life. The question then arises: are we sacrificing biodiversity in our quest for a sustainable future? 4. Pollution from solar panel production. The production of solar panels, while creating clean energy, is not without its environmental pitfalls. Manufacturing these panels involves the use of hazardous chemicals, including cadmium and lead. If not properly managed, these chemicals can leach into the soil and water, causing significant pollution. This poses a risk not only to the environment but also to human health. Additionally, the energy-intensive production process contributes to carbon emissions, which somewhat offsets the environmental benefits solar panels offer. It's a complex issue where the solution to one problem may inadvertently create several others. 5. Waste from renewable technologies. As the push for renewable energy continues, so does the accumulation of waste from these technologies. Old solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries eventually reach the end of their life cycle and become electronic waste. This waste poses a significant challenge in terms of disposal. Many of these materials are not biodegradable, and recycling processes for them are still in their infancy. This can lead to the accumulation of waste in landfills, where harmful substances can leak into the environment. Managing this waste is becoming an increasingly pressing issue as more renewable technologies are deployed. 6. Overlooked carbon emissions. While green technologies are designed to reduce carbon emissions, the processes involved in their production and transportation can generate significant emissions themselves. Manufacturing solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries involves energy-intensive processes that rely on fossil fuels. Additionally, transporting these technologies from factories to installation sites often involves carbon-emitting vehicles. These overlooked emissions can offset some of the environmental benefits that these technologies are meant to provide. It's a reminder that while green energy is a step in the right direction, it's not completely without its carbon footprint. 7. Displacement of indigenous communities. One of the more troubling aspects of the green energy revolution is the impact on indigenous communities. Large-scale renewable energy projects often require vast areas of land that is sometimes home to indigenous peoples. These projects can lead to the displacement of these communities, cutting them off from their traditional lands and livelihoods. This displacement not only disrupts their way of life but also raises ethical questions about the right to land and resources. The irony is palpable. In our quest to save the planet, we might be disregarding the rights and lives of those who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries.